Now I would request very special person to please join us on this stage, start the event with his a very nice welcome address presented by Mr. Vyasra Nagpal, Director AFM India. He is here to basically speak about something which is very close to all of you. I would welcome Mr. Vyasra Nagpal to join us on the stage. Thank you so much.
Good morning, friends. I am Vyas and I head the marketing and business development for American Academy of Financial Management. So today, as a welcome address, I think it's been 14th event for us. I have been talking a lot on the welcome speech and all, but I thought this year I will talk something else and something different, which is more relevant from your perspective, which is more connected, which is more nearer to your hearts, and on which we have already spent 12 years at the journey of AFM. Can we have a presentation, please? So the title on which I am going to talk today is The Right Question, My Professional Journey. As the title says, The Right Question, My Professional Journey, everyone would have a question in their minds that where do I see myself after 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, maybe 10 years down the line. ये क्वेश्चन सबके दिमाग में होगा कि मैं अपनी प्रोफेशनल करियर को अगले 2 साल, 3 साल या 5 साल में कहाँ देखना चाहता हूँ. So to answer this, to understand this question, I have few set of questions for you today. And those questions are connected to you, to your business, to your day in, day out, what you do today. So I am going to talk today where you are going to link yourself with what have you doing so many years, and today I am just going to show you some picture. So my very first question to all of you is, why are we here? Why are we here? Can anybody of you help me to understand why you guys here? आप यहाँ क्यों आए आज? कुछ सोच के आए होंगे, कुछ वजह से आए हैं? Yes, please. Right, to learn, to know what is happening. Anybody else? Can we have the mics also, please? Yeah, anybody else? बाकी को नहीं पता? आपको पता है? Okay, I will help. Yeah, somebody? Okay, I will help you. To my understanding, you are here to upskill. As the gentleman said, to learn, to upskill, to know more. Second, to know what's happening around, to know what is happening in the industry, what are the market trends, what new products are coming in, what new softwares are coming in, what's the new technology, what is there, what my peers are doing, why the other person AUM is more, why my is less, why other person's client is more, why my clients are less, right? So we want to know those. Now I will get into little more deeper into this by adding few more questions to that, for which you need to ask yourself. ये questions आपके लिए आपको अपने आप से पूछने हैं, आपको मुझे इसका जवाब नहीं देना है. But once you go back, you should know the answers of this question. So very first question is, how many number of clients do I cater to? कितने ऐसे clients हैं जिनको आप services देते हैं? How many numbers of clients do I cater to? सबके एक numbers होंगे हर किसी के अपने अपने, right? Which we try to keep on increasing. Second question is, what category of clients do I cater? किस टाइप की कैटेगरी ऑफ क्लाइंट्स है जिनको हम कैटर करते हैं, सर्विसेज देते हैं, म्यूचुअल फंड सेल करते हैं. सो किसी के पास होंगे म्यूचुअल फंड, मिडिल क्लास, मिडिल अपर क्लास, HNI, अल्ट्रा HNI, मे बी NRIs also, right? So all different kinds of categories of client we serve. Third question to you, for you to ask yourself is, what category of client do I wish to cater? हम यहाँ पे जितने भी रूम में हैं, क्या हम सारे HNI या अल्ट्रा HNI या NRIs को कैटर कर रहे हैं? एक एस्पिरेशन तो आप मुझे बताइए, सबकी कॉमन होगी कि मेरा AUM सबसे ज़्यादा हो. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? I want the biggest AUM in this industry. Yes or no? Right? So next question for you to answer again is, how do I make that AUM largest or the biggest? What all products are available in the markets to sell? ये आपको पता है म्यूचुअल फंड के अलावा और कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स हैं जो आप एज अ म्यूचुअल फंड यू कैन सेल? कैन समबडी हेल्प मी टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस आंसर? म्यूचुअल फंड के अलावा आप ऐसे और कौन से प्रोडक्ट हैं जो आप सेल कर सकते हैं? इंश्योरेंस, यस. Sorry? PMS, AIF, right? Debentures, MLDs, right? Security bonds, unlisted securities, gold. So there are many products, but you need to answer yourself, how many of these products am I selling today? Am I restricted to mutual fund, or am I selling just one or two products? Today we have Samir Narayan sir from Aditya Birla Sun Life, he will be talking about AIF. We have Sheila Kulkarni ma'am, she will be talking on gold, somebody said gold, right? We have Mr. Anil Regu, he would be talking on the PMS. So we have tried to gather all those things on this common platform for your upskilling, for to add value to you. So you have to take the advantage of that. Next question is, how many products am I currently selling? As I rightly said, how many of you are selling maximum of these products? Last question but not the least, do I wish to sell or add new products to my portfolio? Am I okay to stay restricted with the mutual fund? सिर्फ क्या मुझे म्यूचुअल फंड बेचना है या मुझे और जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनको भी बेचना है? अगर बेचना है देन यू नीड टू गिव अ थॉट दैट व्हाट डू आई नीड टू डू फॉर दैट. अगर मुझे पीएमएस बेचना है, एआईएफ बेचना है, एयूएम बढ़ाना है, आज की तारीख में आपको भी पता है म्यूचुअल फंड में कमीशंस का क्या हाल है, रेगुलेटरी रेगुलेशंस का क्या हाल है. बट अगर आपको एयूएम बढ़ाना है, अर्निंग बढ़ानी, एयूएम बढ़ाना क्यों है? अर्निंग बढ़ानी है, इनकम बढ़ानी है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, राइट? तो उसके लिए आपको राइट प्रोडक्ट आइडेंटिफाई करने पड़ेंगे विद अ चेंज. अगर इफ यू विल नॉट चेंज विद द टाइम देन देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. सो कमिंग टू दैट, what is the right question? What is the right question for you then? The right question is, how do I want to craft my professional journey? The right question for you today to know is, how do I craft my professional journey? आपने पॉटर जो कुम्हार होता है उसको देखा होगा, वो घड़ा कैसे बनाते हैं, पॉट जो बनाते हैं, it starts from the base, right? धीरे 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 then they give the shape to the pot. जब वो पॉट का शेप आने लगता है तो उसको साइड में रख देते हैं. क्या करने के लिए रख देते हैं? सूखने के लिए, क्योंकि वो गीली है मिट्टी. So what we are trying here is, raw material for you is the knowledge. You have to acquire that knowledge, build yourself. Once you are able to acquire that right skill and knowledge with you, you have to gain experience. जो उसको सूखने के लिए घड़ा रखा है, same as that what you have learned now you have to take into your experience, and then you become the perfect person there as a mutual fund distributor to sell your products. अब इसके बाद एक स्टेप और है, एक है रॉ घड़ा और एक है कलरफुल घड़ा. जब आप मार्केट में जाते हैं, what color you like to buy as a pot? All of you try to bought a color pot or a raw pot? Color. Why? Because you like the color, right? The presentation is very important. So that's the difference, that you need to color yourself. You have reached that stage of raw pot. Now you have to go to the next level to make a color to your profession. You need to add a lot of knowledge to yourself, add a lot of products to yourself. Now, what are the challenges a mutual fund distributor is facing today? I have tried to figure out few of the challenges which I am just trying to showcase. Challenge number 1, evolving regulations and the compliances. This is one of the most important challenge, but we can't do much of it. Only what we can do is, we have to keep ourselves abreast with the latest guidelines and the regulations of the SEBI in India. Challenge number 2, intense competition. Because of the new products coming in, then new technology coming in, there is a lot of competition which is happening. So you need to be there. So how do that happen? Your business is a referral business. So challenge is, how do I become a strong personal brand and maintain my reputation so that I can get a referral? So that's the challenge. So solution to that could be, we need to focus on customer service. We need to focus on personal investment recommendations. We need to focus on using digital marketing strategies. I will come on that as well, that how much of are really actually using technology for our business. Challenge number 3, the lack of investor awareness. I think that has been a journey so far, but still as an industry, from the investor perspective, we have improved so much. But at the same time, still we are working on this journey of making the potential clients, potential investors aware on mutual fund. Obviously, MFI has helped us with the mutual fund Sahi campaign a lot on this. But still there are a lot of work to be done at the ground level with our existing clients and as well as the potential clients. So उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है? उसके लिए हमें IAPs करनी होगी, इन्वेस्टर अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम, सेमिनार्स करने होंगे अपने क्लाइंट्स के लिए और पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट्स के लिए भी. हमें आज की तारीख में सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि बहुत सारे ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जहाँ पे रेलिवेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन जो अलग अलग फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स एसेट क्लासेस के लिए अवेलेबल है इंटरनेट पे. तो एज अ म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर व्हाट इज योर जॉब? योर जॉब इज आप इन प्लेटफॉर्म्स को यूज करें, इनकी इंफॉर्मेशन को यूज करें, उसको फिल्टर करें. यूज करने का मतलब ये नहीं उसको पढ़ा और एज इट इज दे दिया. यू हैव टू फिल्टर दैट, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट. उसको फिल्टर करें, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज रेलिवेंट फॉर द क्लाइंट, देन शेयर दैट रेलिवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन विद द क्लाइंट. दैट इज वेयर द डिफरेंस विल फॉल. नहीं तो वो इंफॉर्मेशन ऑलरेडी इंटरनेट में थी, आपने एक्स्ट्रा क्या किया? वेयर इज योर पर्सनलाइजेशन? Challenge number 4, most important challenge today, all of you in this room would agree to me, is business from person to process. आप इस चीज़ के लिए मुझे जवाब दीजिए. आपके यहाँ पे आप यू आर अ म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. इज योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अ सिंगल पर्सन प्रोमोटर ड्रिवन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन? yes or no? Is anybody there with a no answer to this? 1 2 3 4, I'm sorry, I would not like to count that, 5 maybe. Out of 400 people sitting here, we have 5 people, and out 395 people are promoter driven. So what do we do that? क्या आप चाहते हैं कि आपका जो आपने 10 साल 20 साल आप 20 साल और लगाने वाले हैं, जो 30 साल लगा चुके हैं, 40 साल लगा चुके हैं. So Ajay Sharma sir, who is the president of MDOA, he was just sharing one of the most senior person from the MDOA, right? I think he is 75 80 probably. Sorry, 65. So he has spent all of his years of the life. But आप मुझे बताओ, अगर आपकी फैमिली में कोई सक्सेशन आप चाहते हो कि आपके इसका हो, तो वो कैसे होगा? वो तभी होगा unless we focus on the people and processes to build the scale. So we have to build the process into the organization. Maybe we have to work on the departments. We have to get an investment team, sales team, admin, operations, accounts. Maybe initially we may club few of the departments. But that's the way to take it forward. क्योंकि आप नए products add करेंगे, you need people to manage. Only single person cannot take the business away. So somebody who is not there no more as a mutual fund distributor who has spent his life, आप मुझे इस बात का जवाब दीजिए, is it fine कि सब खत्म हो गया एक आदमी के जाने से? नहीं ना? So you have to focus on the process. Challenge number 5, trust deficit. In the industry, in the past, there have been instances where the unethical practices and mis-selling has happened. But what we look at as a solution is we follow more transparency, we follow more ethical conduct in this. We be more transparent with our commissions, with the clients. We follow, to tell them more about the risk involved with our investments, and such kind of transparency we can bring our communication with the clients. Challenge number 6, one of the recent, I would say the challenge which has erupted, and we are still facing a struggle on this, for which maybe our exhibition could be of some help to them. Technology adoption. Most of us, can anybody answer that? How many of here sitting in the room have their own websites? Can you please raise your hand? Maybe 40 odd people. How many of people having their websites have listed all the products which they are selling on their websites? Similar kind of a number. How many of your people have the payment gateway on your website? 7, 8. So that's the status of us. How many of you are having currently the CRM or investment platforms with you for your clients? Hardly few. I think these are the questions you need to ask yourself. Where I am? मुझे क्या करना है? Where is my professional journey going? So we need to identify the right platform for us, not only what kind of services we want to offer, but also as per the needs of the clients. So challenge number 6 is client retention. Client acquisition as an intense competition was one problem. Then second challenge is the client retention. Client तो आ गया, it's like a baby. अब बच्चा आ गया, आपको अपब्रिंगिंग तो करनी पड़ेगी. अगर आप अपब्रिंगिंग नहीं करेंगे तो बच्चा आपके हिसाब से नहीं बड़ा होगा, आपको पसंद नहीं आएगा, ना आप उन्हें पसंद आएंगे ना वो आपको पसंद आएंगे, तो क्लाइंट चले जाएगा. बच्चे को आप कैसे पालते हैं? सही गलत आप बताते रहते हैं ना. एट एवरी गिवन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू कीप टेलिंग बेटा दिस इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग, डू दिस, डू दैट. दैट्स व्हाट यू हैव टू डू विद द क्लाइंट. सिंपल एज दैट. ट्रीट हिम लाइक अ बेबी. गिव देम रेगुलर कम्युनिकेशन. राइट, आपको उनसे रेगुलर टच में रहना है. टेल देम अबाउट देयर पोर्टफोलियो रिव्यू. टेल देम व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड. इफ समथिंग हैज हैपेंड इन द मार्केट, व्हाट्स देयर पोर्टफोलियो स्टेटस. दैट्स हाउ द क्लाइंट रिटेंशन कम्स. Last but not the least, the challenge number 8. The theme of the event says the role of distributors alpha. Gone are the days that we were looking for the fund managers alpha. It is now the time when the technology is challenging us. At the same time, we are talking about the distributors alpha. Fund managers का alpha तो होगा ही होगा, वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है. आपका जो alpha है वो आप कैसे अचीव करेंगे? To my knowledge, maybe the 8 challenges we are talking, if we are able to answer or take solutions from that, maybe we are able to achieve our distributors alpha. So there is no alternative to stay updated, to be abreast with what is happening in the market. Market में जो हो रहा है, as the gentleman rightly said, what is happening around is very, very important for us to know. So what could be the answer to this? Probably, I strongly believe in this. I may be wrong, but this is my belief. 360-degree approach. One-stop solution. You have to sell all products. You have to be tech savvy. You have to be present. क्या आप दिल्ली में हैं, दिल्ली में ही धंधा करना चाहते हो? Yes or no? नहीं पता? Yes or no? Then you have to think about this. Digital is the only way today. The way forward, I am not going to tell you the way forward. You are the person yourself, you are the best person to decide. Only what I am going to do is leave few questions with you today, which I have just raised in front of you. Maybe the associations and the presidents who are there today present with us, they can collectively discuss this amongst the members and maybe come up with a cohesive solutions for all of us. To sum up, I would just take few lines and show the power of now. Today, since we are here at this event, what is this power of now? You are not going to overthink your way to a better future. Just read this line. You are not going to overthink your way to a better past. All you have is now. And what you do with now can make right of you past and make good of your future. So, what you have to do is grab hold of now. So you have to grab the hold of now. That's the only solution you have with you. Past is gone, future is yet to come. If you can grab your now, you are the person, you are the choice of your client. Client is yours, AOM is yours, whatever you want will be yours. So my last line to all of you gentlemen and friends is, AFM can only work as a guiding light, but the real flame has to come from inside you. The real fame has to come. Unless that is coming from you, nothing will change for you. Everything will remain same. Nothing is going to change for anyone. The client will come, client will go. It's up to you. You want more clients, more business, you have to decide. So real flame has to come from you. Thank you so much.